y'all. They don't want us to be this happy, but we are. Happiness is resistance in this world. A conversation I had with our guy Aaron, that what we're doing now is carrying the pieces of our culture on for the next generation, the ripples of the oceans, of people to come, the people that come after us. So I'm so happy and blessed to be here. I don't know, I'm here with all these dignitaries, man. I'm with the people, with y'all, and these people are here too to support. And Al's like, thank the volunteers. Of course, we gotta thank the volunteers. Pistahan is run. Let's give them a round of applause, y'all. Pistahan volunteers. This is a 100% volunteer-run operation. Can you dig it? That's crazy. So give us some grace if we make some mistakes. We're just like everybody else. Sometimes people are late and run a Philippine time and all that. But
of course, your volunteers, your generous sponsors, and those. In 3, 2, 1. All right, y'all. We're moving back.
Hi everyone, this is Virtual SF. Welcome to San Francisco Pistahan Festival on the way here. Enjoy! I'm camera shy.
Ladies and gentlemen, all the way from the Philippines, every flag ever made. What can it be? He's going sideways, going down on it.
Okay, half pressure now.
Half pressure, exactly. Ah! All of them are good options.
I know, right? If you want, you can speak.
Punch the 1, 1, 2. All right. Hey, go ahead and then just start timing box. That's right. Break classes in the East Bay. On Tuesdays.
Guys,
Okay. Sorry, baby. Over here. Okay. No. How much altogether? 58. Yeah, they're right there.
After this, go right in. Go right in. Sorry, let me just get a I am too, but just go right in. Okay. Pretend you're back in the Philippines.